Hey nerds! No electronics today, just a short announcement. As most of you people know, I recently moved to the Canary Islands. And yeah, I can't draw a palm tree. The reason for the move was easy. Weather. I really hate German winters. And over here, it's always a balmy 20 degrees or more. Nice. When I was over here on vacation at the end of 2022, I met some really crazy folks over here. Let me tell you about them. You probably have heard of Richard from Learn Electronics Repair, and yeah, I butchered his name over there. But there also is Carlos, our Crazy Swede, who was born in Uruguay, I think. All three of us run YouTube channels, and of course, I'll link Richard and Carlos' channel in the description. So at a night out with the guys, we came up with the usual stuff. So, world domination, making Gran Canaria to the new Silicon Valley of Europe. But there was this one idea that really stuck. The world needs a new YouTube channel. Say hello to
the Electronics Channel.
This will be the channel where you see all the cool stuff we don't show on our normal channels. Besides the normal nerdy stuff, there will be technical discussions, there will be product tests, and it will all be in a live format. So us three talking heads over there having fun while you people have to watch it. But since this is YouTube and YouTube is interactive, we hope that you guys play a great part in the videos. We will probably set a theme for every episode, but we want to hear your input there. Ask us questions, talk to us. We all can do this in the YouTube chat. And no, this isn't a copy of Big Clive Saturday nights or Adamant IT's Saturday afternoons, with the three of us all having different technical skill sets, but the same morbid humor. Expect the place where crazy talk has a new home. We're currently in the build phase, so Carlos built a really great rig for the overhead cameras. I hurt my thumb really bad while I was screwing together the desk chairs. And of course, Richard is directing all the shenanigans. But we currently think that we'll be ready at the end of June. So stay tuned. I'll show you the new channel now. This is a new channel. Of course, there are no videos in here. But if you don't want to miss the upcoming episodes, you can subscribe there right now, and YouTube will send you an announcement when we go live. So I'm really looking forward to talk to all of you guys and meet you in this YouTube environment here together with my friends Richard and Carlos. So I hope I see you all over there. And as always, keep hacking.